Hello students, now we find a relation between the current density, conductivity and the electric field. Relation among J, sigma and E. It is also known as microscopic form, of Ohm's law. We know that the current passes through a conductor is I equal to N E A B, where number of electrons per unit volume E charge on electron, A cross section area, area of the conductor, and Vd drift velocity. This is equation first. Then Vd is equal to I upon N E A or we can write it from equation first. Vd is equal to E tau upon M. This is equation second. From equation first and second. First and second, I equal to N E tau upon M or N E square tau upon M A E N E square equal I upon J, I upon A equal to N E square tau upon M into E. Since J equal to I upon A, current density, and rho equal to M upon N E tau, or sigma is equal to 1 upon rho. It means N E square tau upon N. So take this equation as second. So this becomes J, this becomes sigma. Hence, J equal to sigma E. This relation is known as Maclaus's form of Ohm's law. This relation is known as microscopic form of Ohm's law. Other forms from equation first. I equal to NEA BD and BD equal to I upon A NE. Since I upon A to NE, so this is J upon NE. This is BD. Since J equals sigma E, then BD also equal to sigma E upon NE. This is all about the relation among current density, conductivity, and the electric field E. Again, this is the equation of the current passing through a conductor, where N is the number of electrons, free electrons per unit volume, E charge on electron, A cross section area of the conductor, and BD that is velocity. So BD E tau upon N, it is already defined. So putting this value in this equation, we find this one. Now E becomes E square and E square tau. A and E remains here and goes in the denominator. I divided by A, remaining N E square tau upon N into E. Since I upon A equal to current density J, or M upon N E square tau, that is the resistivity. Conductivity is 1 upon resistivity. So N E square tau upon M, this becomes sigma. So this is sigma, this is J. So J equal to sigma E. Other forms are these. Thus we can define this is the all about the relation. Okay.